Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off calendar notifications on your MacBook Air. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are on a MacBook Air and for some reason there's like a notification that appears in the upper right hand corner for your calendar event. How do you actually go ahead and turn that off? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's click on System Settings on the bottom hand side. Next, scroll down to where it says Notifications located here. Next, find Calendar, which is located here. And then you want to make sure that this is toggled off. So as you can see, you can toggle it on or off, but you can also toggle it on and remove those banners as well. But in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and toggle it off so I no longer receive notifications. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.